Hey, how are you doing? New set. We decided to switch things up a little bit. The old set was just taking up too much space here in the living room. So this is it for now. Might tweak some things around, maybe add some shelving over here and then sit this way with that in the back. But hopefully you guys like it, man. All right, so there's tons and tons and tons and tons of options these days, which is definitely overwhelming. If you're a tall dude like myself, then picking out the right chair just became even more of a challenge. And for us, most chairs don't offer enough leg room or backrest height. That is, until now. I got one question for you guys. You ever sit in a seat and think, man, this thing was designed for me? Well, me neither. That is until I sat in this thing. The Gamdias Achilles just feels molded to my body, and I'm a taller dude, 6'2", you know. Most chairs just lack that seat depth and that proper backrest height, and that's where the Achilles comes in clutch. Absolutely perfect dimensions for my height. Now, this is your standard gaming chair, so you've got that removable headrest, you know, same with the lumbar, both which feel good, and I personally keep both on. You've also got that adjustable backrest, which can fully recline into night-night mode. Adjustable armrests, you know, which are soft to the touch. They feel and look good. They kind of had this carbon fiber-esque pattern, and of course your height adjustments are here as well, but it doesn't stop there. It also offers RGB, which is guaranteed to increase your FPS. At least I'm pretty sure that's how that works. Now, let's all be honest here. It's a bit ridiculous, isn't it? I mean, I would say it's pretty much a gimmick. I don't see anyone using that feature. I mean, would you? Let me know, especially since you have to be tethered to the PC, and I can see myself just, you know, yanking my entire system off the desk. Plus, the lights are on the back of the chair. I don't know, man. I'm good. I'm just gonna leave it off. Definitely not a fan of the RGB implementation, but I'm all for comfort. And really, that's actually all that matters in a chair, and it's solid here. The chair is wrapped in a high density foam, so you're looking at a firmer seat. Now, keep in mind that it did soften up a bit after a couple of weeks, but I would still label it a firm seat. All right, so for reference, I do sit in my chair for a whopping 6 to 8 hours a day, as editing is a big part of my work, even outside of YouTube, and this chair does get my seal of approval. Breathability is surprisingly good here so far, although it is winter, so keep that in mind. The material here, though, that the Achilles is wrapped in feels smoother than other PU leather found on most. Feels like real leather. I'm 80% sure it's not, but it's a lot nicer than the other ones I've tested. Maybe it's the texture that it has, I'm not entirely sure, but trust me, it feels amazing. I mean, the padding is great, the base is made out of metal, everything is solid about this chair, and like I said, I reviewed handfuls of chairs, so if you're not feeling this one, even though I 100% recommend it, it's now my favorite chair. Maybe it's not yours, and you're looking for something more affordable or with a different style, check out some other videos, there might be something there for you. If you guys enjoyed this video, remember to like that smash button, check out some other content, and if you want to make my week, smash subscribe button. That's about it. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.